Hi friends, I'm Chef Danielle and I'm here with Gabby.
No.
Yes.
I am missing.
You're missing. But today we're talking about the letter J. And what starts with the letter J, Gabby? Jam. Look.
Not jam, crocodile.
That's a C. So for jam today, look, Gabby, we're going to make strawberry jam. So we have strawberries.
I'm gonna pick one now.
You want to pick one?
Yeah.
And since we're going to make strawberry jam, I'm going to cut off the tops and Gabby's going to mash them. And then we got to cook the jam down and we're going to put them inside of cookies.
Yes.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, you want to put that one inside your bowl? So if you take your strawberries and then we can have an adult cut the tops off because the tops, we don't need the tops. Up. And we get to use all of our senses when we cook, remember? We get to touch, so we get to feel things, right? And then we get to smell. Smells like yummy strawberries. And we get to taste things. And what else? And then, there's not much of a sound.
No sound.
Right, but when we cut things, we can hear the sound of our strawberries being cut on our cutting board. And let's see, have those ones in there. And let's see.
This one.
Oh, careful. You okay?
And then
You want to do that one? Should we cut that one up too? Okay. So we're gonna cut this one. And then, where's your masher? You gotta get your masher out, right? There we go. So, and you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna add a little bit of sugar. So add some sugar. Ooh-wee. There you go. Keep mashing. Good job. And you know what? I'm gonna just put a little bit of lemon juice in there.
mash.
So we gotta mash it. There we go. And once we mash it, after we mash our strawberries with our sugar and our lemon juice, then we're gonna put it in a pot. And you know what we're gonna do with the pot? You're gonna we always give it to an adult, and then we're gonna cook it down. So what that means is that there's a lot of liquid in it, right? You see all the juices there? There's a lot of juice in there. We're gonna cook it down, and then what happens is because there's what's called natural pectin in fruit, that actually makes the fruit and helps turn it into jam.
Yeah.
So it gets nice and thick, and then we can spread it on sandwiches. And today we're gonna put it in the middle of our cookies. So we get to make
I'm
it.
a cookie piece.
Yeah, well, we're gonna put our jam in there, okay? Let's mash. You're doing a great job. Alrighty, so look, now that we've mashed that,
We have to get a spoon.
we need to put it inside of our pot. Can you pour that in the pot? Woo! And take the tongs, and we'll just kind of scrape it, the rest that's in there. Put everything inside. And then we're gonna go put it on top of the stove, and we're gonna cook it. So look at our jam, it's nice and thick.
I actually like it.
Yeah.
Taste it.
Okay, let's take a spoon,
Yeah.
and you taste it. Oh! I thought you were gonna taste it. Should we put some on the cookie? Look, we have special cookies here. And I'm gonna do one. So look, I'm gonna put a little bit of jam in the middle of the cookie. And like I said, you can always put it on some toast. Isn't that good on some bread? Look, that's enough. That's a lot. What are you gonna do with all that jam? Look at our cookie. Look at our cookie. How cool is that? Ooh, it's a cookie sandwich. You want to try this one? Okay.
Okay.
Try it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, hold it. Bite. It's so good. Wonderful. Well, I hope you had fun with us learning all about the letter J and making jam. And we'll hopefully see you next week for the letter K.